Hi guys! In today's episode, we are joined by our friend Jade. She will be choosing one pack from these three: Scarlet and Violet Valdean Fates, Journey Together, and 151.
And I'm choosing Valiente. Basic Energy, Lightning. Chimerico. Gasly. Paldean Student. Fido. Donphan. Atticus. Moshod. Magmaitar. Houndstone. Revavroom.